Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open Safari from the home screen to start browsing immediately. The address bar at the top accepts URLs and searches using Smart Search. Tap the Tab button to view all open tabs and create new ones quickly. Swipe left or right on the address bar to switch between tabs when available. Use the back and forward arrows to navigate page history one page at a time. Tap and hold links to open them in a new tab or preview the web page content. Tap the tabs icon and then tap Private to open a private browsing window. Private windows do not save history, cookies, or auto-fill information for that session. Use tab groups to group related tabs and sync them across devices via iCloud. Create, rename, or switch tab groups from the tab's overview screen for focused browsing. To quickly close many tabs, press and hold the tabs icon and choose Close Tabs for the current site or group. This keeps your tab bar. Tap the icon in the address bar to enable Reader View for clean, readable articles. Reader View removes ads, resizes text, and lets you switch to a dark or sepia background. Use the Share button to add bookmarks, save pages to reading list, or create PDFs from web pages. Manage downloads by opening the Downloads icon to view files saved to iCloud Drive or on my iPhone. Visit Settings and then Safari to control privacy, blocking, content restrictions, and search engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.